Hello investors. In this video, we will see how we can use the stock comparison tool on Sharply. Now, the compare stocks tool is a very easy and useful tool that you have in Sharply. So, to open it, you basically go to analysis tools, then stocks, and then compare stocks. And as you can see, it will take a few seconds to open, and yeah, that's it. So we by default have created some comparisons here. So we have added a few IT stocks, then you have banking stocks, and if you want to compare these stocks, then click on this detailed comparison, and you will be able to see the output. But to add your stocks manually, what you need to do is here you have the universe-based selection. So I can click on Nifty 500 and all the Nifty 500 stocks are now visible. I can scroll down to see them, right? And I can add the stock manually from here. So let's say I want to add Hindustan Zinc. So I click on it, and as you can see, if I click here, I have this one stock that Hindustan Zinc is added. Right now, I can add more stocks from here, so I can add, let's say, Jupiter Wagons. Then once I have two stocks, it will start showing me the comparison. So third, I can add Godrej Industries. Right. So once you start adding the stocks, it will keep adding here on the right hand side. And you can also search for the stocks as well. So I can search for say Titagra Rail Systems, then I can search RVNL and I need to click on it. So I search IRFC and here IRFC is visible and I'll click on this. So the checkbox will be ticked and the stock will be added. So I added three more stocks. So I need to click on this compare button. Once I click on the compare button, all six stocks will be visible here. As you can see, all six are visible. Now, you can, by default, we show these columns that you have here. So as you can see, all these columns are available, including market cap, style boxes, value score, momentum score, etc. And you can also modify the same. So by default, you can see that the valuation of almost all the stocks is not very favorable at the moment, but almost all of them are again showing very strong momentum, right? And you can also remove. So most of the stocks are related to railways. So we can remove stocks like Godrej Industries by clicking here. And I'll also remove Hindustan Zinc as well. So you can remove stocks by clicking on the cross mark. So now we have four stocks all related to railways. Now, all of them have a very similar trend. None of them's valuation is favorable. Momentum of all of them is very high, and quality is not too bad but not too great. Right, so you can also customize these columns as well. So you hover over this settings kind of icon and then customize table columns is available. I click on that and I have the option to add the columns. So by default, we have locked these columns, so you cannot delete them, but you can add more columns uh, by adding the metrics that are important to you. So I can go to value and then add PB ratio, or let's say I'm not interested in this one, I'll add EV to EBITDA. Then I can add some quality related. So I also want to see ROE of them, then growth related. So I'll see sales CAGR 3 years, and all of them will be added at the bottom. So you can use this to relocate the preference. So I'll take this up. Like sales CAGR will be after average daily volume. I can also take the ROE above it, and I'll also take PV to EBITDA to top as well. I'll take this sales CAGR above. And now I'm satisfied, so I'll click on apply changes. So as you can see now, the column preference has been changed. Now we have ROE, EV to EBITDA, and sales CAGR after sharply style boxes. So you can now compare the ROE and other any metric of your preference uh, between the stocks that you have selected. So using this tool, basically you can also have this a return chart of all of them. So 1 year, 3 year returns of how they have performed. And they are showing pretty much similar characteristics on return fronts as well. So this tool will help you to compare the stocks in a more detailed way because here we have a metric selection of over 200 metrics. So there are quality related metrics. So many metrics are available, right? And you can add as much as you like. So there are growth related metrics, there are financial health related metrics, there are statement related. So you can compare the net debt, you can also compare the risk. So you can compare the beta, volatility, you can compare them on stock scores, you can use the multi-factor scores. So we have more than 200 metric to choose from. And using this tool, you will be able to compare the stocks of a particular industry or sector and find the right ones for you. So that's it for this tool. Thank you.